Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how you can give yourself an at-home pampering session, especially when you're pregnant and you're in your third trimester, you're going through a lot of body pains and aches. A pampering session would really help you wind down your stress level. The first thing you would do is give yourself a head massage. To do that, you would take a bowl of coconut oil and heat it in a microwave for about 30 seconds. Then you would massage the warm oil into your hair, section by section, without leaving the roots or the tips. Then I would like to tie my hair into a bun so that the oil is not all over the place. The next step is to draw yourself a bath by adjusting the temperature of the water. You don't want the water to be too hot when you're pregnant. Also, I would like to add some Epsom salt to my water. The other thing that really helps you relax is the smell. I would like to use a scented candle. Play some music. Now dive into your bath and then just relax. Then I would like to take a shower. I come out of the shower and apply this jojoba oil. With the bath and everything, you have relaxed your body. The next thing you want to tackle is your face. Next, I would like to give myself a really good at-home facial. So to do that, you need to place your face in front of a steamer. You can use any kind of steamers you would like. So what the steamer does to your face is, it opens up the pores, which allows you to extract all the debris from your face, and it also helps the products absorb better. So the extracting tool that I'm using right now is the blackhead extractor. It helps me extract all the blackheads from my face and also the tiny acne. The next thing you would want to do is apply a good facial scrub. The reason to do so is that all the dead skin from your face comes right off very easily when you scrub at this point. clean your face with a washcloth or just using warm water. Here I'm using the under eye patch to relax my under eye area. This is really optional. The next most important thing is to apply a facial mask. You can choose any kind of facial mask based on your skin type and your skin needs. Now that all your pores are open, your skin is ready to absorb all the vitamins and the goodness that comes in with the mask. Now, the last and the most important step is to apply a really good facial moisturizer or a serum.
This is a Ryan Little production.
Finish it off by applying a good lip balm. Next step, let's give ourselves a good basic pedicure and manicure. Remove any kind of nail polish you have on. So the step 2 is make yourself a really good soak. Here I'm using a piece of bath bomb. The bath bomb contains baking soda. So the baking soda helps you to eliminate any kind of odor from your feet. So I would like to soak my feet for about 5 to 10 minutes and then my palms for about 5 minutes. I would dry my palms and toes, and then I would like to trim my nails. After trimming, I would like to file my nails. And to finish it off, I would like to use a good moisturizer. Then I end it by applying a really good coat of nail polish. So that's how you can give yourself a relaxing day to keep all those stress levels down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you liked it.